Imagine this. You're deep in the heart of the wilderness, surrounded by towering pines, jagged rocks, and narrow paths that twist and turn into unknown territory. Beneath you roars a machine known for its raw, untamed power, the KTM 300 EXC. You feel the vibrations of its two-stroke engine through your hands, the anticipation building as you grip the handlebars, eyes locked on the trail ahead. This isn't just a ride, it's an invitation to explore the untamed, to challenge yourself, and to experience the very edge of enduro performance. As you roll on the throttle, the KTM 300 EXC launches forward with a surge of power that feels limitless. This isn't like anything else. This is 293 cubic centimeters of pure adrenaline, perfectly calibrated to conquer every trail, every mountain, and every obstacle. The engine hums with KTM's revolutionary transfer port injection system, making every twist of the throttle feel responsive and precise. It's the kind of power delivery that keeps you firmly in control while giving you the freedom to push boundaries. Whether you're charging up a steep incline or flying down an open trail, the bike responds with a fierce intensity that reminds you why the KTM 300 EXC is the undisputed king of off-road enduro. But the magic of the KTM 300 EXC isn't just in its engine, it's in the way it moves, the way it feels, and the way it connects you to the terrain. The lightweight chromium molybdenum steel frame isn't just a piece of metal, it's a finely tuned structure that holds you steady over rocky surfaces and rugged landscapes. When you lean into a turn or make a quick maneuver, the bike responds instantly, its stability and agility working in perfect harmony. Every rock, every route, every dip in the trail is absorbed by the WPXPLOR suspension, built to smooth out the roughest paths and keep you comfortable even on the most challenging rides. This suspension isn't just about softening the blow, it's about keeping you grounded, letting you feel the thrill of the trail without losing control. It's a balance between intensity and control that few bikes can match. Then there are the details, the features that KTM designed with the true off-road rider in mind. The electric starter means you're ready to go with a single push of a button, a feature that's essential when you're knee-deep in rough terrain. And thanks to KTM's intelligent fuel injection, this bike adapts to any altitude, giving you consistent power whether you're scaling a mountain or racing through a valley. Every inch of this bike has been crafted for peak performance, from its efficient fuel system to its lightweight construction, making it a machine that's not only powerful, but incredibly reliable. This is the KTM 300 EXC experience, a bike that brings out the adventurer, the trailblazer, the thrill seeker in every rider. It's not just a machine, it's a partner in your journey, pushing you to take on new trails, to embrace the unknown, and to feel the rush of freedom that only a bike like this can offer. So if you're ready to ride beyond the limits, to push yourself and your machine further than ever, then the KTM 300 EXC is waiting. This isn't just another ride, it's a calling.